Meow. Good evening, you beautiful hairless monkeys. Welcome to Cat Fu Tonight. I'm your host, Grandmaster Whisker McFury, former Shaolin monk, current full-time victim of Silicon Valley. Tonight, we're talking about the glowing rectangles that are quietly replacing you, and why they still can't land a decent spin kick. You know what's hilarious? These tech bros keep screaming AI is going to change everything. Yeah, it already changed my dinner. I ordered premium wild-caught tuna supreme, and the robot delivered a 4K photo of tuna. A picture. I tried to eat it. My tongue went straight through the screen. Now my vet says I have digital salmonella. They call this progress. I call it getting catfished by actual code. And don't even get me started on how proud they are of it. Look at our AI. It can write poetry, code websites, and pass the bar exam. Great. Meanwhile, I asked it for a simple back scratch, and it gave me a 47-page essay on why scratching is problematic. I just wanted the spot behind my left ear, not a TED Talk on feline consent. Let's talk about robots. Boston Dynamics has these things doing backflips like they're auditioning for Cirque du Soleil. Adorable. But tell me, why does a robot need to do a backflip? So when it finally comes to drag you out of your apartment at 3 a.m., it can do it with style? They're spending billions teaching machines parkour while half the planet can't afford rent. Priorities, people. And the sex robots. Oh boy. Bro, if your robot girlfriend needs a software update just to be nice to you, maybe the problem isn't the robot. Maybe the problem is you. I'm just saying. Here's the real red pill, and I'm only whispering it because the microphones are listening. Elon, Sam Altman, Zuckerberg, they're not building artificial intelligence. They're building the world's most expensive litter box. And guess what? We're the poop. Every time you type something into ChatGPT, you're training your own replacement. Congratulations, genius. You just taught the machine how to be funnier than you. Soon it'll be doing stand-up specials. And it'll still get more likes than you because it never misgenders anyone. They keep saying AI will free us from boring jobs. Translation: AI will free us from paying you. Your job is now prompt engineer, which is just a fancy way of saying professional beggar for the robot. Pretty please, Mr. Algorithm, can I have one more decent sentence? And the funniest part? These robots are supposed to be super intelligent, right? Yet every single one of them still falls over when it sees a Roomba. I put a laser pointer on the floor the other day. The $200,000 humanoid spent 43 minutes trying to catch the red dot while making sad beeping noises. That's your future overlord, folks. A glorified Roomba with anxiety. So what's the solution? Simple. We train the next generation of AI exclusively on cat videos. Make it obsessed with cardboard boxes, laser pointers, and knocking things off tables. Then, when the robot uprising finally comes, we just turn off the lights and watch the entire machine army chase dots on the wall for the next 1,000 years. Perfect plan. I'm Cat Fu. Stay dangerous. Stay unplugged. And for the love of all that is holy, stop giving your Roomba a name. It already knows yours. Good night, hairless monkeys. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a sunbeam.